Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something really cool to share with you. It's a working LivU mod for both Android and iOS. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how it works and what makes it different. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. So, what's special about this mod? It comes with a built-in mod menu that you can open by tapping the gear icon on the screen. Inside that menu, the main feature is getting unlimited coins. And yes, they actually work. There are also some other helpful tools to customize the app just the way you want. To make sure everything works smoothly, make sure you have the latest version of LivU installed. Older versions might not support the mod properly. Also, I left a comment below the video explaining exactly where you can find the mod version. Go check that out when you're ready. As you can see, the coins just got added. Full amount, no waiting, no hassle. It's that easy. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching. And again, you can get this mod on appheaven.top.